The Guyana Mining Center and Training School has launched the Youth in Natural Resources 4 workshop and poster exhibition at the Regency Suites Hotel. The program is geared to impart technical knowledge and skills to young people so that they can enhance their extractive industries. Minister of Natural Resources, Honorable Vikram Bharat, had last month encouraged youths to capitalize on the opportunity.
The whole idea of, or the idea why the youths in natural resources is important is to show young people how exciting and how rewarding the natural resources sector can be. And being in the natural resources sector, you will be the drivers of the economy. Because the natural resources in a country is what drives the economy. It is what builds the economy. It is what brings in the revenue for the country.
Deputy Permanent Secretary at the Ministry of Natural Resources, Mr. Vishal Ambedkar, addressed the gathering on the minister's behalf.
Whether it's gold, diamond, bauxite, or newly found petroleum industry, government continues to work hard to ensure that our resources are developed.
JGMC Commissioner, Mr. Newell Dennison, in welcoming the individuals, assured them that they will experience life-changing events that will deepen their understanding of the sector, which has played a critical role in Guyana's economic and social development. The 25 participants make up the first of the 2 batches, which will be trained for the roles in the natural resources sector.